Kelly Marriott, and I'm a life skills teacher in Keller ISD. Today, I am here to teach you how to do interactive activities that can be used in present mode of Google Slides. I hope this is helpful and informative, so let's get started. So let me show you just some simple activities that I did in the past. So these are the activities. I'm going to put it in present mode just for a second. My face will disappear, and that's okay. Okay, so I did a recycling sort for my kiddos, and here's what it looks like. Is this item paper, plastic, metal, or trash? Oh, it's trash. Oh, no, it's not. Let me go back. Oh, it is trash, but I can put it in the recycling, and it's metal. Awesome, I got it. So then I would go to the next question. What is this? Is this paper, plastic, metal, or trash? It's trash. I got it. So this is the type of activity that I'm going to show you a how-to. So let's get started. What I have done is I have created a base template. So I know that every question, so we're going to be working on addition today. I'm going to be doing an interactive activity for addition to 10. So what I did was I made a base slide. This is going to have my visuals right here, and these are going to be our 3 answer choices, and at the top will be our addition sentence. And then what we know is either they're going to get it correct or they're going to get it wrong. So I started my You Got It Right template, and what I'm going to do is select Slide and Duplicate. So we're going to change our text to Try Again. And I Googled a free image for Try Again. We're going to delete it and, Control V. And I did a thumbs down. Because my kiddos definitely depend on those visuals to understand the text. Okay, so let me give you a breakdown. So these answer choices will be interactive. So either they are going to link to the right answer or to the wrong answer. And now we have our back arrow. So if they get it correct, our back arrow will link to the next slide of the next question. If they did not get it correct, we're going to link it back to the original problem, and they're going to retry answering again. So before you ever link anything, what I want you to do is make sure that you have completed all of the math problems first, or whatever material that you're going to be using. So I'm going to go here, and we'll say that this problem is going to be 3 plus 2 equals. And in here, I'm going to insert some type of shape. We can use smiley faces. So we'll do 3 smiley faces here, and I don't like that color, so I'm going to make it yellow with black. My kiddos love those types of things, and you can change the font so they see it a little brighter. And after you do that, the cool thing is you can just copy and paste. So Control C, Control V, and 3, because we're going to need 3 here, and we're going to move them over. Okay, make sure they're even. Perfect. And then we need 2 on the next side, so we're going to Control V again, but we'll just drag these right over here. Okay, so now here is where it's going to get interesting. So we're going to insert our text, and I did forget to center it. So what we're going to do first is we're going to make this one, how about 3 is the right answer. We definitely need to make the text bigger. So let's see, so that's 36. We can even go bigger than that. Let's say 60. And then we want to center it and align. Okay, so we have 3 here. We'll do 5 here. We did 60 for the text, and we centered. And honestly, I did make a little bit of a mistake, because really you could have just put one answer choice in and then copied them all the way over. But from now on, it will be there for whenever you need it. Okay, so 3, 5, and then here we'll do 6 to trick them, I guess. And we need to make it 60. Okay, so now you have your base questions. So now what you can do here is you can
select all of these slides and copy them, and then you click at the bottom and you paste them. So however many problems that you want to have, you'll just paste it over and over and over again. I typically do 10 problems because I take IEP data, and that gives me a good amount of trials to make sure that they're understanding the concept. So I'm just going to do 3 for us today so that you understand what to do. Okay, so we have our first one, so then we'll go to this one and we'll change this one to, how about 7 plus 1. So these are definitely going to have to be smaller for 7 to fit. Ooh, he doesn't look very... I'm going to delete these here. I'm going to move this little guy up just a little, and we're going to Control C, Control V 6 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Definitely make sure you space them so that they have the ability to count them correctly. Okay, perfect. And then we only need 1 here. I might just center him just so he looks like he's good. And so we'll make this one the right answer here. 2, maybe we get a little harder, we'll do 10 and 7. Okay, all right, so that one is complete. And then, like I said, we have all that. And now we're going to go do this last problem right here. We'll make this one 5 plus 5. These actually should work to fit in our little put these up just a little. 3, 4, 5. Put them right over here. Okay, so we'll make this one 9, this one 5, and this one right here 10. Okay, so now we have our base. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up here. Now, this is a little bit time consuming, and I will be honest with you, but I promise that it's amazing and it's awesome, and my kids have really responded well, even when I screen share like on Zoom or Google Meet or whatever. Okay, so we know that 5 is the right answer. I typically start with the right answer just because that's the way my brain works. So there's 2 tricks. You can either, you need to select the text box, and you can either right click and choose right here, it says link, or when it's selected, you can do Control K. And I'm going to move myself over, so sorry everyone. And we are going to link to a slide in this presentation. So this is the right answer, so it's going to go to slide 3. So you would go slide 3, great job, apply. And then, because these 2 are the wrong answers, they will go to slide 4. So Control K, slide 4, apply, slide 4, apply. Okay, so now you're going to go to these. Now, if they got the right answer, they're ready to go to the next question, which is slide number 5. So Control K, link to slide 5, apply. But if they got the wrong answer, they're going to want to go back to the question and try again, which was slide number 2. So select your box, Control K, and slide 2. Apply. Okay, so then we're going to go to our next problem. So the right answer was 8, so Control K. It's going to go to slide number 6 right here, because it is correct. So slide number 6, apply. And then these 2 were incorrect, so they'll go to slide number 7. And I promise you get faster, and I've learned over the time, just build your base slides first, and it gets a ton easier. First time I was just rebuilding the slide every time, and it took me like 5 hours to do one of these. Okay, so then if they got the right answer, they're ready to go to the next slide, which is slide 8. Apply. And if they got it wrong, then they're going to go back to slide number 5. which was the question. And our last one to do together, this was the right answer here, so it'll go to slide 9. And slide number 10, because it was incorrect. Oh, and sometimes it does this weird thing on my computer where I have to go with my arrow. I don't know why it does that. Sorry, tiny human behind me. It's all about working at home, right? Okay, and last one. So on this one, at the end, I typically do a slide that says you're all done. I put a trophy or some type of thing. I don't have that right this second, so I'm not gonna do that. But if they got it wrong, they are gonna go back to the question, which was slide number 8. So here's the cool thing. Now we are ready to show you what this is going to look like in present mode. Okay, so if I click present, so here's the first question. Hi, welcome to addition to 10. Now, if I do 3 plus 2, say I thought it was 3, it's going to tell me try again, and I'm going to go back, and I'm going to say, oh, I counted wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's 5. Oh, I got it right, and now I'm at the next question. So I hope that this was helpful. I know that it has been a lifesaver. It's really fun. My kids love it. It's a nice, different type of piece of digital learning for our kids. You can put it in your Google Classroom, and parents can do it with them. And there's lots of things that you can do. I hope you all have a great day. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.